welcome to a special edition New Year's 2021 story time. Super exciting. I hope that you all enjoyed all of our stories throughout this whole year, and I hope that you guys are excited for some new stories, including some new sci-fi, some new teen videos, a lot of new craft videos, and of course storytime videos. So thank you for joining me. My name is Miss Ashley, if you guys don't know me, and we're gonna celebrate 2021. Happy New Year! Woo! Noon for the babies, because we don't stay up till midnight. So today I got a special treat for you guys. We're gonna make a craft. It's a 2021 shaker. And I will go over how we're gonna make that shortly. But first, and I wanted to show you guys the books we're gonna be reading. Super fun, Colors of Love, My Mom's a Unicorn, and my favorite, Once Upon a Timely. So let's get in it. Let's start by singing a special song for New Year's, and it's gonna go to the theme of row, row, row your boat, okay? So if you guys don't know the song, it's okay, because we're gonna sing it twice, all right? So row, row, row your boat. It's gonna go to that theme, okay? So cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends. Let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands. A brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, dancing through another year. Yay! Did you guys like that, boys and girls? Do you want to try singing it again? Okay, I thought so. Let's try one more time. Ready? Cheer, cheer, cheer the year. A new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends. Let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands. A brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, clapping through another year. Yay! Very good, boys and girls. That was awesome. Okay, so our first book that we're going to read is My Mom is Magical. It's a joyful tribute to all things that moms are magical. Moms like me. So the story is by Sabrina Moyle, and the pictures are by Eunice Moyle. My mom is amazing. More than 1 million butterflies. Butterflies. She's more sparkly than a universe full of stars. She's sweeter than a cloud of cotton candy. Oh, could you imagine if clouds are really cotton candy? And she's sillier than a band of bananas. A band of bananas. Stronger than a squad of superheroes. Wow, she must be pretty strong, huh? And she's braver than a deep sea explorer. She's smarter than a school of owls. Look at that. She's cooler than a disco rock star. She's warmer than 1 million suns. Oh, I like that one. And she's cuddlier than a mountain yak. And she's more magical than 1 million kajillion rainbows. Kid, you're kind of magical too. Aww, that was a great story. Did you guys enjoy it? I love that book. It's one of my favorites, and my daughter loves it too. Okay, let's sing another song. So I'm going to teach you guys a second song. It's called Happy New Year, okay? And if you don't know the words, it's okay, because we're going to sing it twice. That way you could learn the words together. And don't worry if you miss it, because we're going to sing the songs at the end of the story time too, okay? So Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Let's celebrate, let's celebrate. Goodbye to the old year, goodbye to the old year. Hello to the new year, hello to the new year. Hooray, 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 hooray. Ready? Did you guys like that song? It's kind of fun. It goes to the Frere Jacques, okay? So we'll sing it one more time. Ready? Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Let's celebrate, let's celebrate. Goodbye to the old year, goodbye to the old year. Hello to the new year, hello to the new year. Hooray, 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 hooray. Very good, boys and girls. That was awesome. I'm sorry, Miss Ashley, It needs your help to sing so we can sing really loud together, okay? So make sure you're extra loud and you sing Happy New Year! Okay, boys and girls? Are you ready? Do you want to practice saying Happy New Year? Okay, let's see. Let's practice. Ready? Happy New Year! Was that loud enough? I didn't think so either. Let's try it again. Happy New Year! Was that loud enough, boys and girls? I don't think so. Let's try it one more time. Ready? Happy New Year! Woo! That was great practice. That was awesome. I even heard it at my house. You guys are so good. Should we read another story? I thought so. Okay, we're going to read The Colors of Love. And this is a Crayola book by Tina Gallo, and it's illustrated by Tony Neal. Colors of Love. Love looks like a bright canary yellow sunlight streaming into my bedroom. It's time to wake up. Good morning, world. Love looks like sitting in my sky blue kitchen with my family for breakfast. Seeing them first thing every morning makes me happy. I love my family. Love looks like playing with my friends at recess. My favorite thing to do is when we run through the jungle green grass. I love my playground. What color is that, boys and girls? It's Miss Ashley's favorite color. Red. Love looks like the big brick red building against a turquoise blue sky. I love my neighborhood. Love looks like a bright white star twinkling up against a midnight sky. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. I love the sky. The colors of my world make me happy. They're all the colors of love to me. Just imagine the different colors of love around the world. What other colors do you see here, boys and girls? Pink. What about orange? Their hair is orange. Green. Yellow. Red. Very good. Blue. I heard blue. It's time to go to sleep and dream of tomorrow. I wonder what colors I'll see in my dreams. And this says, the world has 1,000,000 colors, from the darkest black to the brightest yellow, and they all could represent love in their own way. What colors make up your world, boys and girls? Draw a picture of all the things that you love on a separate piece of paper. That might be fun, huh? What did you love about this year? Look at all the fun colors you could pick from, huh? Okay, I think we're gonna do our last story. Oh no, we'll do a song, then we'll do a story, and then we'll end it with our craft. What do you think? I think so too. Okay, so let's sing the 2 songs again. Do you guys remember the 2 songs? Maybe? Okay, let's sing them again. All right, we're gonna sing the Cheer the New Year, okay? Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands, a brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, clapping through another year. Yay! That was really fun. Do you guys want to try it one more time? Okay, let's try it one more time, boys and girls. Ready? And you can clap with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheer, cheer, cheer the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends, let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands, a brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, clapping through another year. Very good! That was even better! You guys are getting so good. I could hear you from your house. So make sure you're singing very clearly so Miss Ashley could hear, okay? Let's sing the other song, shall we? The one that goes to the Frere Jacques. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Okay? So you sing everything twice. Okay, moms and dads? So let's help. Let's sing it all together. Are we ready? Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. Goodbye to the old year. Goodbye to the old year. Hello to the new year. Hello to the new year. Hooray, hooray. Hooray, hooray. Very good. Let's sing it one more time so that we really get it down. Okay, let's really memorize this song. Ready? Okay. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Let's celebrate, let's celebrate. Goodbye to the old year, goodbye to the old year. Hello to the new year, hello to the new year. Hooray, 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 hooray. Very good, boys and girls. That was awesome. Okay, now we're going to read one of Miss Ashley's favorite books, Once Upon a Timely. This book is awesome. I love it. It's written by Lynn Parrish Sutton, and it's illustrated by Faith Pray. It's so much fun, and it's all about what? Fairy tales? Yes, it's a fairy tale book, and I love the ending. So make sure you're sitting down, go get a snack or a cup of water, and come back and sit down crisscross applesauce because you're not going to want to miss this story, okay? I love you flowingly like Rapunzel's hair. I love you observantly like the baby bear. I love you sweetly like Hansel and Gretel. I love you unbreakably like Excalibur's metal. Wow. I love you spellbindingly like Merlin the wizard. I love you extraordinarily like the Snow Queen's blizzard. I love you sensitively like the Princess and the Pea. I love you practically like Pig number 3. Aww. I love you luminously like Little Red's cape. I love you daringly like Thumbelina's escape. I love you transformatively like the Frog Prince in the pond. I love you magically like the fairy godmother's wand. I love you truly like Robin Hood's aim. I love you uniquely like Rumpelstiltskin's name. I love you wonderfully like Alice's land. I love you promisingly like the beans in Jack's hand. I love you genuinely like Geppetto's boy. I love you beautifully like the beast's hard-won joy. I love you humbly like the duckling turned swan. I love you unforgettably like the Little Mermaid's song. I love you invisibly like the Emperor's new clothes. I love you enchantedly like the Sleeping Beauty's rose. I love you triumphantly like Sailor Sinbad's success. I love you wishfully like Aladdin's request. I love you heartily like the Red Hen's flower. I love you imposingly like the Bremen Town Tower. I love you confidently like the gingerbread man. I love you lightheartedly like Peter Pan. I love you brilliantly like Tinkerbell's twinkle. I love you restfully like the Rip Van Winkle. I love you invariably like Mulan's might. I love you purely like in Snow White. I love you mighty like Puss in Boots. I love you invitingly like the Pied Piper's flute. I love you helpfully like the elves making shoes. I love you ingeniously like the Billy Goat's ruse. I love you toweringly like a castle spire. I love you glowingly like a dragon's fire. I love you courageously like a knight defending. I love you satisfyingly like a happy ending. I love you infinitely like the printed word. I love you memorably like stories spoken and heard. I love you everlastingly, once upon a timely. I love to read with you right here beside me. Aww. Do you guys like reading with Miss Ashley? I enjoy reading with you too, boys and girls. And I really miss you guys. I hope to see you guys soon. Remember, all these books and more are available for curbside checkout at the Monrovia Public Library. So be sure to ask mom or dad, grandpa, auntie, or uncle to help you check out some books from the Monrovia Public Library. Okay, next, I'm going to actually show you some slides of pictures on how to do our craft. So we're going to make a noisemaker. This is what it's going to, it could look different. You could decorate it however you want. It doesn't have to say 2021. You could write your name. You could decorate it however, okay? But this is how it's going to look. Very plain. You could do the ribbon if you want. If you don't have any ribbon, don't worry about it. You could use staples and staple it all the way around. You can also use glue. What else? You could also fold the plate if you need to, okay? So adjust as needed. Adjust as needed, okay? So in the next couple pictures, I'm going to show you what you'll need, okay? So you'll need 2 plates, some ribbon, scissors, markers or crayons or color pencils. Make sure you ask a grown-up for help with the scissors, boys and girls, okay? And make sure you decorate your plate first. You're also going to need some dry beans or rice or dry pasta, whatever you have that makes noise. Maybe you have some beads. Maybe mom has a broken necklace or a broken bracelet. You could stick the beads in there and it's going to make some noise, okay? It's going to make some noise. So be sure to check out the next couple slides. It's going to show you how to make the noise machine. Okay, boys and girls, this is what you're going to be needing for our craft today. So first you want to take your plate and get the hole punch and put holes all the way around the plates. If you have ribbon, you want to string the ribbon. Mom or dad could help you with this. Next, you want to get the beans. I chose beans and fill it up. Just like this, not too much, but just enough to make some noise. Now you want to decorate. Maybe you could get your little brother or sister to help you. All right. Now that you made the noise machine, woo! Okay, we're gonna sing the songs with our noisemaker. Are we ready? Okay, ready? So I want to hold it because I actually missed a little bit right here. So I'm gonna pinch it right here, and I'm gonna hold it like this. But you guys see that? My daughter helped me decorate this. Isn't it cute? And you guys could show me your decorations by tagging the Monrovia Public Library on Instagram or Facebook. Show us your decorations, your noisemakers for 2021. All right, let's sing. Ready? Cheer, 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 the year, a new one's just begun. Celebrate with all your friends. Let's go have some fun. Clap, clap, clap your hands. A brand new year is here. Learning, laughing, singing, clapping through another year. Very good! That was awesome, boys and girls. Okay, let's sing the next song. Are you ready? Okay. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Let's celebrate, let's celebrate. Goodbye to the old year, goodbye to the old year. Hello to the new year, hello to the new year. Hooray, 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 hooray. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, okay, it's almost that time for Happy New Year's. Happy Noon Year's, I'm sorry. Are you guys ready? Ready? We'll do, count it from 10. We'll count backwards. You ready, boys and girls? Are you ready? Okay. So we'll count backwards from 10, and then we'll say, Happy New Year. And then we'll shake these. Ready? Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, boys and girls! Woo! 2021! 2021! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! 2021! 2021! Yay! I hope you guys enjoyed our Happy New Year story time with me, Miss Ashley. Thank you all for joining me and inviting me into your home to share with you stories and do a fun craft with you. I hope it was as exciting and I hope everyone liked it. And don't forget, the craft doesn't just have to be for the kids, guys. It could be for everyone in the family who's celebrating New Year's. Have a happy, wonderful, and safe New Year's. I hope to see you all at the Monrovia Public Library soon. And if I can't see you, I hope you guys go to the curbside checkout and take some books from the library. Super exciting stuff. Always nice to provide a story time for you. But for now, friends, have a great rest of your day and be safe. Bye-bye.